Hey, what's up everybody? It's Justin with S&K Greenhouse. I'm in my backyard today where I planted these hydrangeas last fall. These are the proven winners, Let's Dance Rhythmic Blue variety. And as you can see, they're pink, but when I bought the hydrangeas and promised my wife I would plant her some, we wanted blue hydrangeas. So why did they come out pink? Well, let's get into that. So almost all mop head hydrangeas can either be pink or blue, and it all has to do with the pH of your soil. If your soil is very alkaline and high, it's going to be pink, and if your soil pH is lower and acidic, they're going to be blue. So I'm in Shelby, North Carolina, zone 7B, and here the soil is naturally acidic. So when I planted these hydrangeas, I thought they would already come out blue, but what I didn't factor in is I used a lot of compost when planting them, and that compost was more alkaline. So as you can see, it has made the blooms vibrantly pink. So luckily there's a very easy solution of changing your hydrangeas from pink to blue, and then I'll show you how to change them back from blue to pink if you have that problem. These are two organic products from Espoma. I have a fertilizer that's acidic, it's Hollytone, and then I have another product that is just a soil acidifier. So it is spring, and if you're watching this and it's spring and you need to fertilize your hydrangeas anyway, Hollytone would be great because then you're killing two birds with one stone. You just sprinkle this around the base of the hydrangea, and not only will it feed your hydrangea, but this will eventually turn your soil more acidic, getting you those vibrant blue blooms. The other product I have is Soil Acidifier, and I think this will probably work a little bit faster. This is strictly designed to lower the pH of your soil, making it more acidic, and I think it recommends 1 1/4 cup on new plantings. And you know we don't measure things on this channel, so I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle this around the base, giving it what I think is about 1 1/4 cup. And this is not going to work immediately. No, you won't wake up tomorrow and all your pink blooms will be changed to blue. But over time, in about 6 to 8 weeks, this will have time to alter the pH. One thing I love about Espoma products is that they are not harsh products. They are, they're not synthetic. They're very much organic products. You can use other supplements like aluminum sulfate. That'll get the job done and turn your hydrangeas blue also, but this is a lot more safe. All right, let's say you have the opposite problem. Maybe you started with blue hydrangeas and you want to turn them pink, or maybe you turned them blue and now I just decided I want them pink again. Well, it's very easy. You just need to use a product like garden lime or pelletized lime. You want to raise that pH and make your soil more alkaline, and your hydrangeas will easily go back from blue to pink. All right guys, I hope this video was very informative on how to change the colors of your hydrangea blooms. If you're interested in any of these products, I'll make sure to link them down in the description. If you're finding this content helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're going to get updated every time we release a new video. Until next time, become a plant person.